Creating a Discord bot involves several steps. Here's a concise guide. Set up a Discord account. If you don't have one, create a Discord account and log in. Create a server. If you don't have a server, create one by clicking the plus button in the left sidebar. Create an application. Visit the Discord developer portal and click New Application. Give it a name. Add the bot. In your application settings, go to the Bot tab and click Add Bot. Customize its username and icon. Get your token. Under the bot section, reveal your bot token. Keep it secret as it's your bot's access key. Invite the bot. Generate an invite link for your bot under the OAuth 2 tab in the developer portal. Customize permissions, copy the link and open it in your browser to invite the bot to your server. Set up your development environment. You will need a code editor and a programming language with Discord libraries. Install and configure them. Write code. Write code to define your bot's behavior using the Discord API. You can create commands, responses, and various interactions. Run the bot. Start your bot script. It will connect to your Discord server using the token and respond to commands. Test and debug. Join your server and test your bot's functionality. Debug and refine your code as needed. Host your bot. To keep your bot online 24/7, host it on a server or a cloud platform like Heroku.